Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my members-only daily live streams I do on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, US dollar yen, like I've been saying, we do have two options here. First option is that this is currently an ABC crescent to the last 5 ways up, which is definitely possible, especially looking at other yen pairs, and eventually it will just keep on trending up. Option number two is this is the end of a wave 5, and this is going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down and take out the low of wave 4. You'll notice that both options have impulsive, corrective, and impulsive because it's either an ABC or a 1, 2, 3, which is great news for us because an A and a B and a 1 and a 2 is exactly the same trading strategy on shorter time frames. So going down to the weekly time frame, I have it labeled as an ABC, mostly just because of other yen pairs, but it could be a wave 1 and a wave 2. It could easily, end a correction and just keep on trending down for wave 3. Or it could be an ABC and then go down, ending at wave C, probably someplace around here, and continue the uptrend, which is why I say it's not important to know the difference because you don't really matter. It doesn't really matter to us whether it's a 3 or a C until you get about 2/3 through this third wave. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the trend is definitely still up. I still think this is 3 ways of A. I think it's 3 ways of B. Lower low wave B tells me it's very likely, and the 3 ways of A tells me it's very likely an expanding flat, which means that this is probably going to go up to at least at 178, 161.8 for a wave C of wave B, because the 178, 161.8 is the target for a expanding flat. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we had a little bit of a slow week last week on the yen pairs especially, but it's still an uptrend. There is no break in the series of higher highs, higher lows. This is all higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. The trend is definitely still up, which means that the roadmap time frames, the higher time frames, are definitely telling you to continue to look for longs on the shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, we had a nice, beautiful impulsive move up, a nice break of structure. I would want to be long on this already. I wouldn't be trying to go long now. I personally am doing nothing but looking for long, so I would want to be long here, but long back here, long back there, long back here. The trend is up on the much higher time frames, and like I was just explaining, the 161, 178 Fibonacci extension of wave A is my target for this potential wave C of wave B. So until the higher time frames tell me otherwise, or until we get closer to my target, I am definitely doing nothing except for looking for longs on these sort of time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.